welcome you all for 9th standard CBSE tutorials. Now today we will look into the natural numbers. In previous lessons we have already seen the natural numbers. What are the natural numbers? Natural numbers are inclusive of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And one more, that is the whole numbers. What is the whole number means? Whole numbers are also the natural numbers, but they are inclusive of 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we also have studied the rational numbers. Rational numbers are the numbers which can be expressed by way of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Okay, today what is the real number now? Real numbers. Real numbers are the all rational numbers and all irrational numbers put together known as real number. Okay, it can be denoted by R. So you can simplify R is equal to Q, that is the Q plus all irrational numbers. Q is rational number and IR, that is irrational numbers. Okay. Then coming to irrational numbers, we have seen the rational numbers, but irrational number we have not seen irrational numbers. In case of rational numbers, the numbers can be expressed by way of P by Q, but here the irrational number, the numbers cannot be expressed by way of P by Q, where Q should not be equal to 0. Then such numbers are called irrational numbers. Okay, example for the irrational numbers are, we have root 2, we have root 3, we have root 5, we have root 2 plus 3, we have root 3 minus 7. Okay, and even pi also can be classified as pi. The value pi here is 22 upon 7, that is again can be classified as irrational number. These are the irrational numbers. Okay. In case of real numbers, we have a set of identities. So identities of real numbers for any two positive real numbers, say R and S. Any two positive real numbers, we have a set of identities. Identities number 1, root of RS can be expressed by way of root R into root Second identities. Square root of r divided by s, which can be expressed square root of r divided by square root of s. Okay. Then the third identity here is bracket of square root of r plus square root of s into the bracket of one more bracket square root of r minus square root of s, which can be expressed, it is a conditional identities. By this way we get r minus s. Okay. Number fourth identities we have here is r plus square root s into the bracket and one more bracket r minus square root of s. So which can be written this way as r square minus s. We have one more identity in real numbers is square root of r plus square root of s to the power 2. Okay, can be expressed here as r plus 2 root rs, okay, plus s. Okay. Okay. Let a be more than 0 and a is a real number and r and s be the rational numbers. Okay. Then in this case we have a set of identities. So number 1, a to the power r into a to the power of s. We can say by using the exponential form, we have already seen the exponential form, the base a and the powers are different. So in that case the base a to the power r plus s. Fine. Next, number 2, a to the power of r bracket to the power of s. Here it can be expressed by this way. So a is a base multiplication of r into s, that is a to the power of rs. Fine. Number third one, a to the power of r divided by a to the power of s. A to the power of s. Here it can be expressed by this way, a to the power of r into a to the power of minus s. Okay. Next, number 4, a to the power of r and b to the power of s. Since the base are different, what we can do here is a into b, that is ab to the power rs. Okay. Next, number 5, a to the power of minus r, which can be expressed by way of 1 divided by a to the power of r. Fine. Number 6th one, a to the power r divided by s, which can be expressed a to the power of r into 1 divided by s. Okay. Again, it can be expressed 1 divided by a to the power of s to the power r, so that it will become reciprocate. Okay, it will come down as a denominator. Next, number 7, a divided by b to the power r. So it can be expressed by way of a to the power of r divided by b to the power of r. Fine. Next one, number 8, a divided by b, a by b to the power minus m. So which can be expressed as, since it is a minus sign, so it will become b divided by a to the power m. Coming to the laws of radicals. Okay, there are laws here. So We'll see the number 1. The first law here is nth root of a to the power n, which can be expressed as a. Okay. Next one. Number second law. M root n root a, which can be expressed as m into n, that is mn root a, which can again be interchanged as n root m root a. Okay. Next one. Number third law. So nth root a into n root b equals, so n root a into b, ab. Here ab are the real numbers. Next, number fourth one, n root a divided by n root b, which can be expressed here as n root of a divided by b. Fine. Next, number 5, p root a to the power n divided by p root a to the power m can be written here as p root a to the power n minus m. Okay. Okay, coming to next one, sixth, p root a to the power of n into a to the power of m, which is equal to p root a to the power of n plus m. Okay, since the base is a, so we have to have a to the power n plus m. Okay, number seventh one, p root of a to the power of n to the power m, which equals to, since the n into m is the multiplication, so p root a to the power of n m. Fine. We will see few examples now. Find the value of 1. Find the value of 4 root 28 divided by 3 root 7. Here, so we will factorize here. So 4, so factorize, I will take it 2 into 2 into 7 divided by 3 root 7. Okay, since that 2 has come 2 side, so I will take out, which will become 4 into 2 root 7 divided by 3 root 7. Once again it can be simplified as 4 into 2 root 7 divided by 3 root 7. Okay, this root 7 gets simplified. The answer here is 4 into 2 is 8 divided by 3, the answer. We look into the second example. Example number 2. If x is equal to root 7 divided by 5, if x is equal to root 7 by 5 and 5 by x equal to p root 7, then find the value of p. Then find the value of p. The question is find the value of p. The given data is x is equal to this much, 5 by x is equal to this much. So the given data here is x is equal to root 7 divided by 5. And one more here is, so 5 by x, 5 by x, which is equal to p root 7. I will substitute the value of x. The value of x, that given data here is, so root 7 by 5, I will substitute here is, so 5 by, so root 7 divided by 5, which means what? It will reciprocate and it will become 5 by 5. Okay, 5 by 5 So which is equal, what is that? P root 7. I will take out that root 7 which will become denominator. So my answer here is 5 by 5 divided by root 7 into root 7 which is equal to P. Okay. Now the P here is 7 root 7 into root 7 which equals, so 25 by 7 is the answer for the value of P. Now we will see the next example, number 3. If B is more than 0, B is a real number, B is more than 0 and B square is equal to A, then find the value of square root A. Okay. Now B square is equal to A. Okay. Which is equal to root A is equal to B. That is the answer. Okay. Next, number 4. Write the equivalent of A plus root B. A plus root B into bracket, one more bracket, A minus root B. So I will simplify here is as A, I will take out the first A minus root B, next plus B plus root B is equal to plus root B into the bracket A minus root B. I will simplify here is A into A is A square. Okay, A into minus A root B, next term, plus A root B minus into plus minus B root B into root B is equal to B. Again we can simplify here as A square. Since these two are unlike terms, get cancelled, so that we will have the answer here is A square minus B is the answer. Okay. Next example, example number 5. Find the value of 16 to the power of 3 divided by 4 divided by 16 to the power of minus 1 divided by 4. In this case, what I have to do is, since the bases are same, so I will take down here as, so 16, okay, to the power of 16 to the power of 3 divided by 4. Okay, since it is carrying negative sign, once it comes to a numerator, it will become plus 1 divided by 4. So we'll take up the LCM of the power. So 3 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 4, which is equal to 4 is the LCM. So it will become 4 in the numerator as well as the denominator. It gets cancelled, so that the answer should be 16. The next sum, 6th one. Find the value of bracket of 81 to the power of half. So flower bracket of 1/4 complete bracket to the power minus 2. Okay. We keep simplifying each step. So flower bracket and the complete bracket. So it can be simplified here as, since it is the power is 2, so it gets cancels 1, 2s are. So how much it gets? 81 to the power of 2 to the power of 1/2. Since these were carrying positive symbols. Now next step here is 81. Okay, 1 divided by 4. So 2 2s are 4. Okay, then it can be still simplified as 81 can be factorized. Here the factors are here is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 to the power 1/4. How it is? 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. So I can split it here 3 to the power of 4. 3 to the power of 4 to the power 1/4. Okay, since the whole power is 1/4 and 3 to the power of 4, so 4 and 4 get cancels. My answer here is, the answer here is 3. Okay.